In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add ClickUp tasks from new Google Forms responses 2026. We're going to set up a simple, reliable automation using Make, the visual automation platform that connects your favorite tools without code. The goal is straightforward. Whenever someone submits your Google form, a corresponding task is automatically created in ClickUp. That task can include the respondent's answers, so your team sees exactly what came in without you copying and pasting anything. This setup saves time, reduces manual data entry, and keeps your workflow consistent. To begin, open Make in your browser and sign in. If you're brand new to Make, you can quickly create an account before moving forward. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the home page. From here, you'll use Make's templates feature to jumpstart the process instead of building a scenario from scratch. Templates give you a foundation that's already wired to the right apps, so you can focus on a few key choices and field mappings rather than designing the entire workflow yourself. Look over to the left-hand sidebar and click Templates. This opens a full gallery of ready-made automations. You'll notice a search bar along the top and a collection of popular apps and use cases. While it's possible to browse app icons and categories, searching is the fastest way to find exactly what you need, especially when you already know the two tools you want to connect. In the search bar, type Google Forms and select it. As soon as you do, the gallery narrows down to show templates that include Google's Form tool. You'll typically see options centered on new responses, because that's the natural trigger for most form-based automations. This is the event that tells Make, a form was just submitted, now do something with it. You can think of the trigger as the win of your automation. Next, type ClickUp into that same search bar and select it as well. Now, you're filtering the gallery to templates that involve both Google Forms and ClickUp. This is exactly the combination we want. The list you see now is a focused set of public templates created to move data from a form into your task management system. The titles usually make the intent pretty clear. Look for the one that specifically says it creates a ClickUp task from new Google Forms responses. Click into the template to open its details page. You'll see a short description, the apps involved, and a visual outline of the automation that indicates the trigger and the resulting action. This is a great moment to confirm that the trigger says something like new response in Google Forms, and the action says create task in ClickUp. You may also see notes about which pieces of information are transferred. Many templates map the form's answers to the task's name or description by default. If you see multiple versions, choose the variation that best matches your needs. Some include extra logic, like routing tasks to different lists or updating custom fields, while others keep it minimal and clean. Picking the best starting point means fewer changes later. When you're ready, click to use the template. Make will open it as a scenario that's ready to configure. At this stage, you may be presented with two options. Start with a guided setup or create a new scenario directly. Guided setup is helpful if you want. Make to walk you through the main choices, step by step. Creating a new scenario is great if you're already comfortable and simply want to confirm the accounts and mappings. Either option gets you to the same place, so choose the one that suits how you prefer to work. Once the template opens, you'll be prompted to connect your Google account and your ClickUp account. Make uses secure, standard authorization flows for these connections. For Google, you'll sign in and allow Make to read form responses as needed. For ClickUp, you'll grant permission so Make can create tasks in your workspace. If your organization has multiple workspaces or teams, make sure you select the right one during authorization. A helpful tip here is to connect with an account that has just the level of access you need for this automation.